morning, guys. Good morning. It's Friday, which means it's operation day today, and as you can tell, I'm full of cold, sore throat, I'm poorly, so I've cancelled it because it does say in the letter if you've got any symptoms of cold or man flu, which is, it does say man flu, contact them, and because it was general anaesthetic, I'm not 100% happy with it, so I've postponed it till another day. I've got a busy day ahead. I've got to take the van in, sort the van out, and we're going to do a bit more filming tonight on a new project, which you'll see soon, which we're looking forward for. And because I've not gone to the operation, Della said, well, have a day off, do some wallpapering. So she wants me to do some wallpapering because I've not gone to the hospital.
I'll do it with you.
So hopefully we're going to do some wallpapering tonight. We've got all the bits and bats to do it all. I just need to find a pasting table. Trouble is, though, once I start, I won't want to finish. Once I start, I want to finish it. So I'm going to go and take my van in now and see what today brings. Really, it's a cold one. Not had much snow, but looks nice, nice and frosty, nice and fresh. But it's winter. Out in the van, so I thought I'd come to the garage and sort the van out. It's just not running hot at the moment, so it's, I'm getting a new thermostat put in the engine, and I've had to order a new temperature switch. So I'll show what I've been doing to it. It's quite awkward to fit, so I've been fitting the best I can.
And we are home. Mike's got his van sorted. We've just been shopping to Aldi. Putting it all away. Got some little treats for Saf. Serena's not here, she's sleeping at a friend's house. There you go, Safi. Oh, Safi was tired at school, weren't you? Did you fall asleep and miss your ballet?
Yeah.
Oh no.
Right guys, tonight we're having Mexican pulled chicken.
Nice.
But in fact, we don't have pulled chicken. We're using chicken breast instead.
It'll be thinly diced chicken, won't it?
Right. And
Yeah.
then I've made some coleslaw, but I've added the chipotle paste.
Yeah, so it's spicy coleslaw.
Spicy
it's really nice.
coleslaw.
So that's what we're having. Oh, sweet potato fries, not sweet potato mash.
Oh,
Oh no.
we're having mash instead of fries.
Oh dear.
It'll still taste the same.
Prep the slaw. Poach the chicken.
The mole sauce, where do we put mole
Never
sauce?
mind. It doesn't say about the fries anyway. Mold sauce.
Mole sauce. Where did you,
On the chicken, I think. I'm not a good cook.
You add it with the chicken when you cook it.
Right, okay.
I'm tired. I really could do with bed.
Yeah. Gin time.
On a normal gin, normal golden gin. I'm fed up at flavour ones now.
I've gone for pink gin, one that we got from Tenerife. What's up, Mike?
I've had too much gin. Right, okay, so this is the chicken, the pulled chicken.
It smells a bit strange.
And I've put in a paste. I'll tell you what paste I've put in.
It looks really nice.
Right, I've put Cajun spice
Yeah.
and mole sauce.
Mole sauce.
Mole sauce. And I put in the sweet potato. I've put in butter and salt.
Don't put salt in. It doesn't need to be salty.
And in this, I've got spicy coleslaw.
Yeah, we chip all out of sauce.
Which Della
Chipotle
keeps
sauce.
eating.
It's nice, I love coleslaw.
So I'm cooking fresh tonight. But
So have you done it right? Have you done the poach to the chicken?
I've done it in a fashion.
The slaw.
In a fashion.
And it should look like that. What are you laughing at?
You don't want that. Looks similar, but not like that.
Okay.
Oh, what are you doing?
So it's like bourbon chicken, isn't it?
Got my fingernails.
Look at your hand. What's happened to it? You've bent it.
I've been working in van all day.
Oh, you didn't wash your hands when you're cooking.
Yeah, I'm always washing.
I thought you'd burnt it on oven. I do like coleslaw.
No, you've eaten half of it.
And that is the finished product.
I wouldn't normally have so much
Yummy,
mash,
yummy.
but there's a lot left. Right, guys, another evening of food. Doing a lot of cooking at the moment, which is quite nice. Which means no takeaways. Doing more cooking, it's nice. And kids love it. Kids love cooking. Fancy takeaway now, actually. Do.
We've had a takeaway.
Not tonight.
No.
We've had nice chicken tonight. Right, guys, thanks for watching, guys. Have a nice weekend, and we'll see you soon. Take it easy.